Yeah, I do some ribs today. Yeah, no jokes. See that? Get them juicy. Yeah, I do some barbecue ribs. I bring up the barbecue sauce straight from ground. I use pineapple sauce, pineapple, and all them things there. Bring up the sauce from ground. So I make my own pineapple sauce. I make my own barbecue sauce from scratch up, straight up.
Promise I want bag of last what my friend for vote for them like Kobe them and Memphis them and Cody friend. Right to chat me with and close the door for them. But this a story
I know it's not marination and build it up for one time. So go pour some marination on him. And that's done. Marination. Feeling alive, I'm feeling alive, no. I'm feeling alive. I'm feeling so alive, no. Yeah, feeding up the ribs, big body ribs. Yeah, for the channel. You know the thing already. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comments on that one. Because that one I'm not gonna normal, you know. I've been telling you, I make my own barbecue sauce from scratch. Come straight up. So you know what I'm going to. Alright, see it here. I use this make the pineapple sauce. I see the thing come down already. I'm done to this, I make it from scratch. Alright? See there? You're ready to go down the wall. You see me? I need some cauliflower and some cauliflower and some broccoli and some carrot. See? I do some mashed potato. You understand that I go with the potato and something. And this is the beetroot and the carrot juice. You understand? I'm showing you I make everything from scratch. Like this. Yeah. So just hold out a little bit. I'm going to show you the rest of what I want in a few. Like this. Alright, see there. This is how I go on with it. As I show you. Put some sugar in the pot. It's a nice color. Yeah. The sauce I'm making a pineapple sauce. Barbecue sauce. Yeah, keep on as a pineapple sauce. You know what? I buy a barbecue sauce today and make right. I make it from scratch. From straight up. I know people don't know about about them things. I know people don't know about them things. They check me in the old school.
Caravan, tractor and trailer. Make the door group of bimbo baker. Can't stop no man go link you later. Good things, but them a talk about. Poverty me born and me call out. Mommy get the house that she asks about. Stand up on the mountain, me shout it loud. Money, me love money.
Carrot and beetroot. Alright, see it there? Beetroot done blend up and carrot. I'm going to strain off and mix up now. Wicked. Alright, see pineapple sauce here go and bubble down. You know enough one don't know about them sitting here, you know. Yeah. Wanna go check Sherry. Alright, come about Jamaica Grand. If you don't know about Jamaica Grand days, we not talk about no moon palace, we not talk about Jamaica Grand. Check Sherry. Yeah. Yeah. You don't know about Sherry? Tell me, I tell them I bust back the whole old people them. Wicked. Yeah. Alright, we out. Potato them out now. No jokes. Veggie them out. No jokes.
Remember when you see them
When you say just push it in there.
With the right now. With the. Myra. You give me a Myra. We make US dollar.
Build up the house for your mama. Western Union people feel give me more honor. Slash, full stop, comma. Every day you look for your live like Tony Montana. Presidential like Barack Obama. Cool in a house and plain in a hammer. Who said this scammer them wrong? No. Hungry, poverty, that more rama. Better them do it than take out the bomber. Remember the youth, them not squeeze trigger. And just show them a nigga. Lisa, our nigga minister. College, they are step me sister. You say education, and you keep me up. You don't take the things. I don't know about kind of school.
Alright, I ready to tell them now. There go. Start there up here now. Almost there. Barbecue sauce is done. Yeah. Vegetable is done. Mashed potato is done. Just I go and wait for the beef, yeah. Go and check. Yeah, the ribs. You understand? And what you know, I sweeten my thing with condensed milk. You understand that the beetroot and the carrot. So don't mess around.
Yo, ding, yo, otto. Money and pussy are the matter. Real hustle and I have to win the lotto. Money never there, you never got ya. Woman never there, you have to work a cup. Spanish girl, name the taco. Put me up on a platter, then me dig it like chopper. Japanese girl, get the sacker. You brought the body good, arigato. Double pack.
Barbecue sauce is out. Look at it. So pretty. I've been telling you, you know. And Sherry people if you do anything, you know. I go check Sherry, you know. She's Sunset Jamaica Grand. I have about no moon palace, you know. Sunset Jamaica Grand. He's still over there. Alright, the ribs is out, well barbecue, Yeah. Yeah. See there? See sauce for barbecue. Vegetables, potatoes, and a plate near plate. You understand? Just go and wait.
No yet.
Yeah. I eat this. You understand? See it there?
When I'm search for it,
The beetroot with the carrot and something. Sweet with some condensed milk. You understand? Alright, see it there now. Potato and something. Barbecue ribs. Vegetables in the top. That's all. What we tell them?
Who don't me and them me do it out. No wonder where me put me up. Me keep it and work towards a goal. Like a keeper so fervent to his role. Never care but still me have a drive. Life so hard but still me have a life. Me coulda give up and leave over the try. Me woulda never live that kind of life. I'm inclined to make it in time. DJ Neil inclined and everything will happen in time. I'm inclined to make it big time, and everything will happen in time. Differently, fully immune, me no new to the pressure. Coulda give up the fight and go choose the beretta. Never choose when me born, me choose to do better. Keep my goal inside, music me prefer. Instead of crush out weed, I'm up and tell myself me a push out and do it in a man. Taxi man, go and be for no one. Vendors are street side, keep carry on, cause we incline. Well, I could never stop me now, and then me not collect no charge like when I'm about chill out. Your time will pass you with your blank and another me know. Better push out like a yellow lad and up on your door. If me feel the game, me try to better than before. Life on a fairy tale, or acting as a cameo. And that to change is like me working at the cameo. If my father lets me, I be me daddy, yo, I'm inclined.
Yeah, Jamaica say I'm inclined. Coming out here for it differently.